Hey guys, this is Andy coming out with a new video for this week. We're gonna feature this beautiful building out here. It's a 12 by 24 with the garage door. Really good looking building. Again, 12 feet wide, 24 feet deep with a garage door. And this is a 9x8 roll-up door. So here, our cutters that we got is Peter Gray with the off-white trim. Really sets it off. With corner trims up at the roof. As you look up on here, we put a drip edge trim, and what that does is it keeps from water backing up in there and ruining the building itself or your valuables in there. Back here we got one 2x3 window, and it is the 8-panel grid with the Dutch framing on here. So it does set it off pretty nice. So on here, again, every 4 foot double studded, as you guys can see. Double stud right here, double stud under the windows, double stud on your gable ends. Let's walk over here and show you guys this door. This is a 9 foot wide by 8 foot tall roll-up door. Pretty easy to handle. Now I have it unlocked right now, so I will do it. And it's ready. You can pretty much store your tractors, your lawn mowers, all kinds of stuff here. Steven, what's some stuff you would use it for, man? It's a pretty nice setup, right?
It being the window there, you could use this as a pretty, a private office. You can have people come in through here. You can have your desk, right here in this space right here, get the natural light to come in. Or if you have a mower or maybe, a small sports vehicle, you could bring it on in, thanks to the garage door. So I think that's pretty neat. You can pretty much use this for anything, any small project.
Let's walk outside. Again, I want to show you guys the diamond plate we put right here on the ramp. That way, throughout time, when you're loading stuff in and out, this will get chipped off. So this is why we put diamond plating on there. Guys, that is it for this week's building. If you guys have any questions or comments, or if you guys want me to feature another type of building, make sure to comment down below. And we'll see you guys next week.